वेलकम टू valsquick tips and tricks कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता की तुमी बरी आसतलीं साऊद आनी भलायकेन. सो टुडे in my kitchen what I am going to cook is our Goan green beef curry. Yes, you have heard it right. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमची गोंयची ग्रीन कडी, मासाची कडी. तर आतां कितें कितें जाय तें मातशें पळोवन घेयात. सो फर्स्ट थिंग आमकां जाय, दिस इज 1 kg of meat. Okay, so this is 1 kg meat, that is beef meat, and you can take any cut, and this is the size, nicely washed. Then what we need is to marinate this is my grandmother's style marination: salt, ginger garlic paste, and amchi goanchi vinegar, homemade, that is palm vinegar. The next what we need for our green masala, so as it is green masala, so we need some coriander leaves. Chilies depend upon you, how spicy you want, more spicy, how hot, it is all up to you. What I am going to use is over here 6 green chilies. You can double the quantity if you want more spicy, but these are spicy chilies, so I am using 6 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 of cinnamon stick. Then these are few, I am taking 2 green cardamom and around 3 cloves, and this is around like 6 of black pepper. Okay, I'm not taking more, you can take more, it will become very hot, so this will make your hot and that chilies will make it spicy. Then I have taken 1 whole pod of garlic. This you can reduce if you don't like garlicky flavor. I like garlicky flavor. And 1 onion. So this all I will be grinding it to a fine paste. Okay, तो पोवन घेयात. हांवें मिरसांगे उणे घेतल्या, काली मिरयां उणी घेतल्या, कालो फुरा पूण उणे घेतला. तिकी पूण धाकटुसो ह्यो पीस जावो पडटलो. पूण तुमकां जर तर सुबेज घेवंक जाय जाल्यार सुबेज मिरसांगे घालात, बऱ्यो मिरसांग्यो घालात. सो हा थिंगा 12-15 घालात, 20 घालात, तुमचेर हा कितले तीख जाय पळय तुमकां एका किलाच्या मासा. आनी ही जावन आसा आमची लोसणी, आख्खी लोसूण, एक कांदो आनी आमची ओली कोथमीर. तर हें आमचें आतां हें सगळें वांटूंक वयतलें. नेक्स्ट हांवें घेतला हिंगासर 2 कुलेरां जिंजर गार्लीक पेस्ट. मागीर हळदीचो पिठो मागीर घालया आमी जेन्ना मासाक आमी कांदे आनी टमाटा बरोबर सोंसायतले. ओके, then we will put add turmeric powder later when we are going to saute onions and tomatoes. The next is 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, and 4 potatoes. Potatoes you have to cut, this all has to be finely chopped. So onion has to be finely chopped, tomato has to be finely chopped, and this will be just into 4 pieces. So 1 potato into 4 pieces. Okay, fine. So let's now start the marination. Salt to taste. Then add vinegar, add little only because we are adding tomatoes also. So we'll add 2 tablespoons of this. Then we will add our ginger garlic paste. And I will add now only turmeric powder, then later we don't need to add turmeric powder. and keep this for around 2 hours. 1 teaspoon. Let's marinate this nicely. So now we'll marinate this, and then we will give 4 whistles with this, 4 to 5 whistle along with the potatoes. So you can cut the potatoes, wash it, and you can remove the skin or without skin, it's up to you. Here our potatoes also will go in this, and we'll marinate for 30 to 1 hour, and then we will pressure cook this for 4 whistles on medium flame. Now let us put all this in pressure cooker. Put 1 cup of water and give a 4 whistles. Now let's grind this all to a fine paste. Add little water and grind this to a fine paste. Then this is 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera. I want to crush this and add, so we get a cumin flavor. Okay. But if you want, you can grind it with your masala. 1 whistle is done over there inside. So हे जावन तुमच्यान पिठो घालूं येता या तुमच्यान वांटूं येता, पूण हे हांव आख्खें घालता अहें धाडां. Third whistle, fourth whistle. Now I'll put my gas off. So onion, tomatoes are chopped. Masala is also ready. आता आमी कांदो तांबट सोसान घेवया. Let's fry onion and tomatoes together and the masala. Just watch. So I am adding few curry leaves, that is to cut down the cholesterol part which the red meat is having. This is optional, but I am adding, and our crushed cumin seeds. And fry this little. Now we'll add our onion and tomatoes together. Now most of the time the beefs, you get different types of beef in Goa, different cuts. So if you are using uppercut, then 4 whistle is fine. Uppercut, undercut, it gets cooked fast. But other meat, at least 9 to 10 whistles you need only. And depends like how you want. You want full cooked, you want half done, how you want this meat to be cooked, it's up to you. Cover and cook it on low flame. This tomatoes are and onion are like getting soft, and we will add our masala to this now and let it get cooked for few minutes. Cover and cook this for few minutes. Now in Goa cuisine, most of the after our grandmothers, like mothers and all, they used to use and add Maggi cubes. So if you want to add Maggi cubes, you can add Maggi cubes. And also olden time, that is our grandmother's time, they used to add little bit of sugar also to give the glossy texture and all. That is also is optional, you can use or you don't use. If you are using, then use it like 1 teaspoon. Check the meat. So how it is or need to be cooked more, just check that meat. Okay, this is cooked, plus it is going to get cooked in the masala. Now we'll add our meat to this. The cooked meat and the all together. Mix this and now let it get cooked on a low flame for at least 25 minutes so that every masala will go into this. Check your salt. If needed at this point, you add. No, it's okay. Water, I don't need to add because I have using the same water which I have was there in the cooker. So if you want to add water, you can add according to your how you want. We'll cover this and will this cook. 30 minutes you can cook this on low flame. Exactly after 30 minutes, the curry, Goan beef green curry is ready, and you can see this. So enjoy this Goan beef curry with rice, pulao, bread, chapatis. Make this and enjoy. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां हें आवडटलें आमची गोंयची ग्रीन करी, मासाची ग्रीन करी. करात आनी खायात. Thank you so much. God bless you. Here it is. Try it and enjoy this recipe. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. Goan beef green curry, आमची गोंयची मासाची ग्रीन करी, that is आमचे beef मास. ट्राय करात आणि एन्जॉय करात ही आमची Goan beef green curry. Thank you.